What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the Rover. Now, the Rover here has the plow, as you can see here, right in the video. Now, we went ahead and custom made a custom bracket so it'll fit up on there underneath this unit right here. Now, again, the 200 Rover, this thing has forward, neutral, and reverse. And to go ahead and adjust, all you have to do is pull this lever here and go ahead and you can lock it right into place like so. Very, very simple. Now, to go up and down, you've got your powered winch right here to go ahead and go up and down with ease. You can plow all that snow with ease, no problem. Give us a call right now. Toll free, SaferWholesale.com, 866-606-3991 right here. We've got our parking brake. We also have our lights, high, low, on and off. And then you also have the USB right here, like so. We've got our mile per hour right here, tachometer. We've got our cigarette lighter right here. Again, we also have the hazards right here. We've got our turn signals, left and right. And then we also have high beam, low beam, on and off, right there. Check it on out. SaferWholesale.com. Now, in the summertime, all you got to do is go ahead, check it out. You've got your flip seat right here. This will flip right over. You've got your nice utility bed. 2 seats in the front with seat belts. 2 seats in the back as well. Call us right now, again, toll free, 866-606-3991, and we can ship nationwide right to your front door. So give us a call today. Amber turn signals, you got your brake lights there, and again, forward, neutral, and reverse, along with your seat belts in the back as well. Call us today, 866-606-3991. Call us up, again, toll free, 866-606-3991. And again, we can raise and lower the plow with ease. And you also have right here the mirrors. Now put her in reverse. And again, we can ship nationwide. It doesn't matter if you live in California, Florida, Texas, Jersey, you name it, we can ship to the lower 48. No problem. Call us now. Again, toll free, 866-606-3991. We have a few different colors. We've got gray, black, blue, and red in stock right now today. And again, we can ship it right to your front door. Fully assembled or in the box if you want to save a little bit of money. Huge deals and savings on now, SaferWholesale.com.